Sailing stones are a natural phenomenon found primarily in the Racetrack Playa, a dry lake bed in Death Valley, California. These stones, ranging from pebbles to large boulders, mysteriously move across the flat surface, leaving long, distinctive trails behind them. The movement occurs without human or animal intervention. Research has shown that the stones move due to a combination of specific conditions. Thin sheets of ice form on the playa after rain, and when these ice sheets melt under sunlight, they break apart and are pushed by light winds carrying the stones with them across the slick, wet surface.